Paper 1, summer 2017. I'm just going to quickly blast through question 1 to 3 and 4 quickly because they are straightforward and they're opening questions just to get you like calm and relaxed when you're starting the exam. So the first one is work out the value of 2 to the power of 4. 2 to the power of 4 just means 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So you're multiplying itself by 4 times and then you just take your time, do it in steps. 2, double it. 4, double it. 8, double it. 16. Job done. That's how straightforward it is. It is supposed to be easy to just try and calm your nerves as you're starting the exam and get you into the right routine. Okay. Rounding this number to the 3 decimal places. Now 3 decimal places, I say, that means 3 numbers behind the decimal point. 1, 2, 3. I just put a line down there. So you want 3 decimal places. After that decimal point, you want 3 numbers. Now, the last number depends on the number next to it. Okay, depends on the 4th decimal point, if you want to call it. So that 3rd decimal point depends on the 4th number here. If that is 5 or more, we round up by adding 1 on. If it's less than 5, we just leave it be. In this case, this is 5. Okay, so I said as it's 5 or more, we add 1 on. So what we write this is 7. Now that will be 264. Add 1 on will give you 265. So that's just for 265. So I just treat it like that. So get those 3 numbers, have a look at it, what's going to happen there. I've got to add 1 onto there, so it becomes 265 because it's 5. It's beyond the halfway line. Simple stuff here. By convention, what we do is the numbers, then put the letters in alphabetical order. So 7 times 8 is 56, followed by EF. That's it. That's how simple that is. Multiplying all those. You've multiplied the numbers first. 7 times 8 is 56, and just put those in alphabetical order. EF. Okay. Solving. This is a very straightforward solving equation. All it is well, x is being divided by 5 and that's equals 2.5. So what you need to do is you want x by itself. You want to take this divided by 5 to the other side. The opposite of divided by 5 is multiplying by 5. So you've got 2.5 times 5. Best way to do this is 2 times 5 is 10. Half of 5 is 2.5. And add them together gives you 12.5. That's it. Just go to, whenever you solve an equations, you just do the inverse operations, taking it from one side to the other, see what's happening there, always leaving a singular x on the left hand side and everything else put it to the right hand side by reverse operations. Okay, so reverse operations, I mean by operation is add, opposite of add is take away, times, opposite of times is divide, opposite of take away is add, and opposite of divide, I think I said the opposite of divide is times, opposite of times is divide. Okay, so just opposite operations. Question 4. 4/5 as a percentage. Well, percentages are always out of 100, so get 4 out of 5. So if you're looking at the denominator to try to make it out of 100, the easiest way to do the 5 is double it, so you got 8 over 10, and then noticing that's 8 over 10, you can just multiply top and bottom by 10, which is just simply adding a 0 top and bottom. So you got 80 over 100. 80 over 100, percentages out of 100, and that's just 80%. And this is like, I always say to kids, this is like saying divide. It looks like a divide sign, and it looks like 2 zeros and a 1 100, so it's 80 out of 100. Exactly what that is, but the percentage sign is that.